Today we're going to be driving the Audi Q8 55 TFSI. Just starting off, this car feels absolutely amazing. We got light steering, we have an insane 8-speed Tiptronic gearbox, and all this big chunky machine is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged V6 that produces 250 kilowatts and 500 newton meters torque and does an astonishing 5.6 seconds 0 to 100. This quattro all-wheel drive system makes it feel like you're so gripped to the road, paired with these 22-inch alloy rims, which are absolutely beautiful. This car has a bunch of different drive modes to select from. Right now we're driving in comfort, which is raised suspension. Let's pop it into dynamic. As you can see over here, it's about to lower the suspension, and it stiffens the steering wheel as well, and gives you great throttle response. Let's pop it back into comfort, raise the suspension, and to lighter the steering. When you're driving an Audi, you know you're driving an Audi. The feeling of driving this car is just absolutely insane. You feels light when you want it to be light. It feels heavy and stiff on the ground when you want it to be stiff. It is just an all-round amazing car. Making this car feel so nice is the light driving, and we were sitting on these 22-inch alloy rims, which feel absolutely amazing. You have the steering feedback, which is insane. You got this light steering or heavy steering when you put it into dynamic mode, and these brakes feel insane. You have these massive brake calipers on all 4 wheels, getting you the most brake power you possibly can, paired with a nice ABS system to not lock up. Really safe. Let's talk about all the screens on this car. You have a massive screen here, which you can see your fuel consumption and your gauges. You can switch to your warnings. You can switch to your lane assist keeping. You can switch to your media playback and what's paired on your phone. You can switch to your phone calls, so you can quickly make a call going on here. If I want to call my mom, I just click call and it will call. You have a massive big map going on here as well to see where you're going, paired with a good navigation system that you control from here with a keyboard and here on the display. On this display, it controls your Apple CarPlay and all the basic settings and features of this car. And on the small display is mostly climate control. If you swipe down here or click over there, you can select where you want to go in your navigation system. Select that, and it will pop up over there and over there. These screens are also both paired with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As I have an iPhone, I'm going to use Apple CarPlay, so I can select my music, and it just feels quality on this nice screen. This car is paired with an insanely good sound system. The bass and the sub just feel absolutely on point with this car, and it's all controlled on the screen over here. You can control the bass, the treble, the subwoofer, all your inputs and sound levels on the different cars. These seats are just amazing as well. We have a lovely leather seat at the top, fake leather at the bottom, which is kind of disappointing for what you're paying for this car, but it does have these lovely red seat belts and stitching and a nice S badge over there. It is all electronically controlled from the side with your presets that you can select, and you can also control the back arch in the seat. We have a lovely big LED lights in the front. Your headlights are absolutely bright at night. They are insanely good, paired with the OLED lights at the back, which, oh my goodness, look insane with this lovely light strip going along. This car has blind spot monitoring, lane assist, crash prevention, and is just a really safe car to drive. If you want to call your kids in one of these and tell them to go somewhere, I promise you they would be safe. Whether or not they crash, roll, this car is absolutely solid. And let's just not talk about that, and we talk about the looks. The red that this Audi has made is insane, paired with these carbon fiber mirrors, your 22-inch rims, you got the nice honeycomb grille in the front, you got the light strip at the back. It just looks mean driving this. Okay, enough talking about how good this car looks, but how practical it is. This car is insanely practical. You have a 605-liter boot space. Like what? And over 1,700 liters with the seats down. That is astonishing. let's talk about the downsides of this car. This car is all cool and all, but you don't have a lot of space in the front. Where do I go and put my phone? Like, I can't put it there. There is wireless charging over here, but if you have your cable plugged in, you can't actually put your phone into the wireless charging dock pit. This car's interior is just absolutely insane as well. You have these I already talked about the seats. They look absolutely amazing. You have this glass finish that says Quattro, the carbon fiber and suede leather everywhere just makes the car look like quality. And we're not even talking about this red stitching. That looks mean. All around, I think the Audi Q8 is an insanely good looking and astonishing car. I would buy one. My mom would buy one. This is a perfect car for my mom. First time kid driving this. A dad, a daily, a fun weekend car. It is just an all-round amazing car. I'm going to thank you guys for watching this. If you want to go check out the newsletter where I do a full review covering this car every week on Friday at 12, link is in the bio. See you guys then.